This week we take you inside a freshly completed, brand new, remodeled 3-story penthouse designed by Rezt and Relax. So with us today we have Wilson Tay, which is one of the Rezt and Relax bosses, and he's going to show us an intricate tour of this whole Reno project and the team he entrusted to do this beautiful home.
Yeah, hi, so I'm Wilson here from Rezt and Relax. So I think total we have done around 40 houses in this area. It's a penthouse. And today, let me share with you what have we done for this luxury house.
So for those of you at home who are new to Rezt and Relax, SS and many other realtors, homeowners, including celebrities, have worked with R&R and the outcome has always been good. So remember we used to do this home reno tour called Shangri-La Walk.
Yeah, the one at this Ang-Mo-Kio, right?
Correct.
Yes.
The owner's so impressed they asked us to do a full gut reno.
Oh, I see.
Then there is also another reason.
Why? What
Because
reason
of
is that?
your lifetime warranty.
Yeah, in our company, right, we have this lifetime warranty, right? Not only for the existing owner, but also for the next buyer in future you're going to sell the house. For this house renovation and design, right, I have chosen our best team is Nikki and Karen. Okay, why do I choose Nikki, right? Because they have more than 25 experience in renovation and design.
Wow.
And what is good about him? Detailing.
Wow.
Because this house, right, a lot of detail need to be involved and make someone that must have experience. Alright, and of course Karen is a very good assistant project management and also come designer to oversee the whole house.
So with that in mind, can you give us a full rundown of the project?
Sure, why not? Let's go. So this super penthouse have totally 3 levels with 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom and 1 study room. And the most important, they have 4 open terrace and 5 planter with 1 utility room and 1 helper room. And guess what? They have access lift to level 1 and level 2. And the staircase access through all 3 levels.
一开始我们走进这间屋子里的时候呢，屋子里的状况和设计是比较陈旧的，大多数的东西呢都已经损坏了。所以呢，我和 Nikki 与屋主讨论了过后，我们决定把屋子重新翻新过，打造成比较现代和简约的风格，让整体看起来比较干净和容易打理，可以让未来的屋主自由的定制和规划他们想要的梦想家。
So Nick, let's start from the top of the super penthouse.
Okay.
所以记得这边吗？
记得，很
The
美啊。
first day I stepped in down here, right, I was so shocked. So nice the view. Wow, you see the greenery down there.
Very
And you
beautiful.
can see what the CK tank. That one is what Takashimaya.
So in the past, there was a squarish marquee made of wood and cloth light cover that was torn and tattered. The floor was dark Chennai wood, which was partly decayed. So you could see that the pebbles and the concrete slab divider, which was very popular in the olden days, like resort style homes. So in the nook over the right, there was a washing area, then there's greens, and there's this very old school barbecue 2-layer kind of thing going on here.
所以那时我们访问了顾客之后，对吗？我们的屋主要的是什么呢？他要容易打理。所以为什么我们 design 是用这个 stone 呢？来放在这里呢，比较好处理。
为什么用这样四四方方的 square 的？
在 terrace right， 它什么最重要吗？你 as a designer
Weathering 吗？
No. As a designer, right, we don't only choose nice material to match, but also you see the four thread. 还记得上一次来的时候吗？那个 four thread 全部被
Effective one.
对，那个 four thread 全部被阻塞。对，所以这个呢 have no problem.
Right.
Right. 所以我们除了会设计呢，最重要是 daily.
Function.
What happened is raining. Just imagine 啊，
Right.
如果这边下了3天的雨啊，
对，
这边被阻塞，你会发生什么事吗？水会从这里呢
还流进去
里面，
Oh, wow.
没有错。
Right.
所以这是 based on experience。那所以为什么我这个 project 叫 Nikki 来呢？因为 Nikki 有这样的 experience， 他可以 foresee what will happen next。所以你看得到我们这个 four thread 是非常非常巩固的 ，make sure 它不会被 stuck。Make this area become a blank canvas.
Right.
Let the owner right can free play what they want.
Okay, fantastic.
Yes. The most important is easy to take care. Right.
Then what about inside? So initially, this room was used as a home gym.
Yes. Right.
By the owners. So here you can see the floor was dark timber and it was warped and popped out already. Then the skirting was also decayed. The wall mirrors were, darkening, and the door frames were this very dark solid walnut, which just made the mood very heavy, and even the aircon lighting ceiling paint was in need of a change.
So what we have transferred this room, right, from a gym room to become a bedroom.
Right.
Yeah, and with a nice view down here.
Very beautiful.
And remember, you take a look in the toilet. Can you tell me what can you see the difference down here?
So the top tile is the same, but bottom, all the carpentry,
Yes.
Right.
So Nikki have advised the homeowner not to hack the whole wall. So we actually just change the floor tiles and we keep the marble floor.
Right.
So as the idea is not everything need to be new, everything need to be hacked,
Right.
but experience is important.
Right, so that's
Yes.
why they only do to a certain level and
Yes.
matching one.
Right, so you can save on the time, the cost, especially the piping. Because you don't hack the wall, we won't damage the pipe.
So Wilson, here on the second level, previously this was a very dated 90s look-alike bar
Yes.
counter with
Right.
the mirror reflecting the parquet floor.
What we are doing down here, engineer floor. Why we choose about engineer wood, you can take a look, right? It's a very natural and it's actually a very natural color. And what is good about engineer wood? Because of the vein and also the size. So you can take a look down here, it's very nice. This engineer wood, right, have go all the way to the 2-bedroom and the study.
Wow.
And one more very special place, you know where? Is outside the balcony here. Okay, so as a experienced designer, right, Nikki have choose these tiles. It's the same concept that because this is every day, they might be raining, day and light. So again, the floor tray is very important. So you see down here we have a blank canvas, right?
So you
he can have your own freestyle.
Right, very nice. I see the light all changed modern already.
Let me show you the master bedroom. So remember Nick, down here, last time the master bedroom, right, is so cutter, right? So today the same thing, we have this engineer wood and the same thing, we have changed everything new. And you can see the view is very beautiful. Yes. So let me show you what can be done for the toilet down here.
Right.
Remember down here, Nick, we have actually hacked the whole floor and put down nice marble like that. And also for marble, right, it's important to choose the right marble and also the right vein.
So this is
A volacas. Right, and from wall to floor.
Very
Right? And we
beautiful.
have divide to 2 sinks, so everyone will have their own personal sink.
nicely done.
Yeah. And also we have designed a very good place down here, the bathing area.
So previously the 3 rooms here were an older design with platform, built-in beds, and even wardrobes and walk-ins and bathrooms that needed an upgrade. So not to mention the outdoor terrace has this very weathered platform decking. Then the waterfall feature and the planter near the glass railing was also a little bit too messy. So if you've been enjoying this Reno tour so far, smash that like button.
And share it with your friends.
So level 1, previously the marble was this very old style brown cream.
Yes.
That was, a little bit stained, a little bit dated and lost its shine. The planters were designed to have this like square step granite tiles just floating in the air, and beneath them was a sea of dark pebbles, which was nice, but yet again it's a little bit 90s. And the TV console was a big wall of timber. That full dark console below with the mirrors kind of made it look extremely chunky. The bedrooms was actually quite similar to the ones above and had decent functioning wardrobes, but again the design element wasn't there. There was a study counter which we thought could be removed because it took up a little bit of space, and then the kitchen and the yard was quite aged and needed an urgent change.
So Nick, take a look down here. What we have done for this flooring, we hack out the whole floor and we lay the marble on the floor, right? So down here, remember, we have a feature wall here and the feature wall here. So what you do, we remove everything to make it clear,
Right.
especially behind this planter box, and it's not functionable.
Right.
So what we do today here, we change everything with this nice decking. All right, and also the kitchen. Let me show you. So in the kitchen, right, we have done out everything. We hack down the wall and the floor and redo the kitchen.
Right.
With a nice color matching down here. So you
Very
can take a look
beautiful.
at this nice beautiful tiles. It's actually a big piece of tiles and it's very durable and it's
Fantastic.
not sticky.
Wow,
Yes. Alright?
very smooth.
Yes.
Carpentry has been put in. You got Reginald sink and also the tap, and then of course you also put in open flame burner. Are all these bloom system?
Yes.
So Wilson,
Yep.
what exactly is the meaning of lifetime warranty?
Oh, so the lifetime warranty is talking about all the hinges and all the hardware. Example for this cabinet, you open up, alright? So you stay for 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, and what happened? Your hinges got problem. Just give us a call.
Right.
Before you sell your house, we will come and have a home inspection to change all the hinges for you if they are damaged.
And this is also for the new owner.
Yes, so the new owner when they come in, right, they are actually nothing to worry because everything
All the
is
old ones have been replaced.
yes for replaced and the warranty will transfer to the next buyer.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, you know why? Because you want to save the earth.
Okay.
Because I see a lot of houses, right? Because of small little thing, nobody bother to help, and the whole cabinet need to remove. I think this is very wasted.
I see. 环保
Yes.
重要.
So Nick, do you know that in Rezt and Relax, we don't only provide lifetime warranty, you know, we still have a super app. Do you know what is a super app?
This super app means that you have access to a very simple to use app. You
Yes.
don't even need to lay foot in the home and you can monitor all the
Yes.
defects that being
Right.
rectified.
Yes.
And it also acts like a digital lock. That means you can see from day one, oh, this defect, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
All is
7,
inside there,
it's
yes.
all there. The whole archive can easily be transferred to the next owner. And is it open case, is it rectified?
Yes.
So it's clean for everyone to see.
Right.
And most importantly, they use the app, they can see, oh, new owner got lifetime warranty.
Yes, that is the most important.
What has exactly changed in this luxury and penthouse market scene since you began? And then until now, why do people keep coming back to Rezt and Relax?
I think Nick, this is a very good question. Alright, I think for renovation, Rezt and Relax been market for more than 25 years. I think the most important is to be responsible and to deliver what you have promised the homeowner.
Right.
So that is very important. Especially, you must have a good quality of designer. Right, because designer will actually make a difference if you choose a different type of designer.
Right.
Yeah, so from the house here you can see all the small little detail and you see how Nikki transform the old house become so new and so nice and so functionable. And the most important is what? Functionable. We don't design things that is nice, is creative, but it's not value to the house. So for us, right, we don't do that.
So for me, most important is lifetime warranty.
Yes, peace of mind with Rezt and Relax. That's through all three levels. That's why I make this as a blank canvas.
We go.